I tell you, we had a great time on the road at the PRI show, but we're sure glad to be at home here in our Motorhead Garage studios. Looks like our friends at Hexis have been hard at work with this wrap here. Let's see what they're up to inside.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Folks, if you have a classic muscle car like this Roadrunner, a modern muscle car like this Viper, or a supercar like this Audi R8, you want to keep your car looking great and you want it to stay that way for a good long time. It's not just about paint anymore. There's another solution. Tell me what Hexis does, Harada.
You can wrap it. So Hexis has been around since 1989. We're a leading manufacturer of self-adhesive films, particularly for the automotive markets.
And there are other manufacturers that do this. What sets Hexis apart?
We focus primarily on self-adhesive films. That means we try our best to make and deliver the best products we can to the industry. We have over 250 different colors, and we have gloss finishes, satin finishes, as well as matte, glitters, chromes, textured carbon fiber, all kinds of stuff.
How long has Hexis been around? How do I know you guys know what you're doing?
We have one production facility in the south of France, and we have distribution and offices worldwide.
I know the first question you probably get is, how long is this going to last when I put it on my vehicle and I want to restyle it, change the color?
We have a proven durability of up to 6 years. Just depends on where you're located, as well as how often you take care of your wrap and your vehicle.
Obviously, if you garage it, it's going to last a lot longer than it's going to be if you leave it in the sun in the desert.
Correct.
And what's this particular product called?
This product is called Skin Tack.
All right, and what's the installation process like?
The installation process, if you took your vehicle like this to a reputable shop, you're looking at about 2-3 days of downtime for them to install this wrap on your vehicle.
So how do I know if I have a reputable installer?
Simply go to our website and you can search for a certified installer near you.
And what's the training process for someone to become certified?
Go to our website, sign up, and we invite you down to Atlanta to our training facility, and you can take our course.
What if I'm a do-it-yourself kind of guy and I want to attempt this on my own? Can I do that?
You can. Just make sure you choose the right quality tools, quality film, and learn as much as you can with the basics of film before you apply it yourself.
And I can also enroll in your training at Hexis.
You can.
So that covers restyling, but what if you want to keep the finish you already have and you want to keep it looking great? Well, how do we go about that, Kevin?
We do that with a paint protection film.
All right, and what does Hexis offer as far as that goes?
A couple different products. What we've got on this Viper fender here is actually a clear bra paint protection film made out of a TPU. So this is going to protect the finish. It's going to be 100% optically clear, so aesthetically it's still going to look pleasing to the customer as well.
How does this compare to the clear bra that was on this vehicle when it came in here?
So the clear bra that was originally on the vehicle actually was not 100% optically clear. So you could tell where that clear bra was placed. This day and age, everybody wants to protect their vehicle, but they do want it to look great too. So with the Hexis body fence, it's 100% optically clear, which means you're not going to see any graininess. You're not going to see any orange peel on the paint.
This isn't just about looks, though. The Hexis body fence protects the vehicle. How does it do that?
So the Body Fence X is a 7 mil thick TPU film. So that urethane is going to protect the vehicle against road debris, anything flying towards the vehicle when you're driving down the freeway, highway, whatever it is. It's also going to protect it aesthetically because it is also self-healing.
That sounds like it's from the Terminator. How does that work?
Yeah, so self-healing, the way that works is the top coat, when it sits out in the sun or it reaches a certain temperature, that top coat is going to mesh back together. So small scratches, marring of the paint, that's actually going to disappear right under the sun.
Amazing. You've been at this for over a dozen years, you told me. How does the Hexis product compared with the other films that are out there?
So on the installer side, it's great. Very, very user-friendly. The adhesive is great. You know, when they make a film that is easier for the installer, you're always going to end up with a better product for the consumer. On that consumer side, it's awesome. They're going to end up with a product with a lifetime warranty, which is almost unheard of in the industry for clear bra. And they're going to have a product that looks great, self-healing, optically clear. They're going to pretty much have a new vehicle 10 years down the road.
Whether you want to restyle your vehicle or keep it looking great for a long, long time, Hexis can help you out. Check them out at hexis-graphics.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so do not touch that remote.